Jeffrey Arnaldo Diaz ng buhay ko. The one God designed for me. Sinong mag-aakala na ang Popoy ng Zambales at ang Basha, Angel ng Bicol, ay pagkakatagpuin ng Lord sa isang malayong bansa ng Saudi Arabia. Amazing, di ba, love?
Although na malayo man ang lugar natin sa isa't isa, pero pagdating sa Lord, nothing is impossible.
Yung kanta po ng When God Made You, sabi po doon, when God made you, He must have been thinking about me. I know that God prepared Jeff to be his best version and prepared me. So, nung pinagsama po kami, nasa best version na po kami ng bawat isa. So much more, knowing that all you have in store for me is good, is good. Today is the day you have made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. And I won't worry about tomorrow. I'm trusting in what you say. Today is the day. Yes, love, today is the day, the fulfillment of God's promise to us. Salamat!
Sadyang napakabuti talaga ng Panginoon. Sino ba naman ang mag-aakala na tayong dalawa pala ang itinadhana ng Panginoon?
From this day forward, all my dreams have come true by marrying you. Wow!
Thank you so much, my love. I deserve it. Wow!
Ang singsing po ay bilog, wala po siyang simula at wala din po siyang katapusan. Kaya ito po ang simbolo ng pagmamahalan natin.
Salamat po, Panginoon Lord. God bless this day, Panginoon Lord. God bless for our wedding day.
Yay!
Until my last breath or until His kingdom comes, I promise to partner with you as we fulfill the great plan that Lord has for our lives. I am looking forward to reach me more, 10 more, 100 more, 1,000 more for Jesus with you. My kingdom partner, I love you so much.
Ecclesiastes 3:11, He has made everything beautiful in His own perfect time. Truly, God prepared everything perfectly for us before this day comes. Ang smooth ng process, di ba? Masaya kapag masaya ang lahat.
If only we could to never be alone.
Palakpakan po natin ang bagong kasal.
Sobra kitang mahal. I love you so much, my love, and I love you with the love of the Lord. God bless our marriage. God bless our family.